Hey guys, it's me, Adventure Charm Breeze, etc. Back with another ceiling fan video. Today we're going to be filming my new 52-inch Hampton Belvedere ceiling fan. I got this with the Unknown Hugger, as well as one other fan. You guys will find out what it is soon enough. But all three of them are installed now, except the one in my bedroom. The light switch is broken in there. Either that or something in the wiring is loose, because the previous light fixture that was installed no longer worked, and we thought the light fixture failed. So I go to put up my fan, that doesn't work either. And I know it's not the fan that stopped working, because a light fixture and a fan are not going to magically be defective at the same time. So, yeah, we'll look into fixing that. But until then, this is the last one you'll see that's installed until we get the other fans. Low. Ignore the specks of light on the ceiling. There are vents on the light kit. Never actually experienced one of these in person until now, which is kind of exciting. And yeah, and you're wondering, what did this replace? Did it replace a fan or what? It replaced one of these things. One of those goobers. There's another one over there. But we just really badly needed a fan in here, so took the middle one down, put up a ceiling fan instead. Here's medium. I don't know why the chain made that extra noise. I feel like it's the electrical charge going up and down in the pull chain when you pull it. It goes something like that. Hi. Pretty good fan. It blows good air in here. Definitely doesn't put out as much light as these things do, but at least the air movement makes up for it. Turn off the light once again. I like how this looks in here. I'm surprised they didn't make this in bronze as well. I think this is aged gold. But let's see what it looks like with the light on the fan off, but with two of these lights on. Okay, yeah, that looks like more balanced lighting. Okay, but yeah, sorry this video was kind of boring. I know I usually like to hit my 4-minute mark with interesting stuff, but just not a lot to say about this. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my bedroom fan, and I'll catch you all later.